Good morning. Today we will discuss about quadratic equations. This is a very important chapter. So we already started what exactly mean by polynomial and types of polynomial. And in this class we will be discussing about quadratic equations. So there will be definitely you will get a questions based on quadratic equation in your competitive exams. So it might be direct questions, but I am sure so there will be a question based on trigonometry, binomial theorem, coordinate geometry, or calculus, integration, differentiation, anyway. So I mean to say, questions looks like a trigonometry questions, but to solve that question, you should know the concept of quadratic equations. So it is very important. So learning quadratic equation and inequality, and these concepts will appear again and again every part of the mathematics. Not only 11th and 12th, in future if you continue with the mathematics background, anything engineering, or you want to be research in any field, this particular chapter will keep coming along with your education. So please be concentrate and work out all the problems and try to understand each and every concept, and it was very interesting and you will enjoy the class. So let's discuss with the equations. What exactly mean by equation? An equation is a statement of equality between two expressions. It might be anything. There should be two expressions, right side as well as left hand side. I mean to say, for example, x equal to y plus 2 is the equation, or simple x plus 1 equal to 0. Okay. So anything you can give, there should be, it might be a single variable or it might be two variable or anything. Okay. But there should be a statement which between the two expressions, and there are variety of equation you could find. First one is an equation which is true for all permissible value of unknowns is known as identity. I mean to say, for example, x plus y whole square equal to x square plus 2xy plus y square. This is expansion of this term, right and left hand side. Now, you observe in this equation, so why we call this identity? If you put x is 1, y is 2, it will be true. Okay. So any value you put, okay, 0, 0, it will be 0. Or any value, so an equation which is true for all permissible. So you take any real value, anything you put this equation to shows this equal to this. But if an equation which is true only for certain values of unknown is called conditional equations. That means, for example, if I say, as I given here, x plus 1 equal to 0. Here you could see, so when you put x equal to minus 1, then only this is true. I mean to say minus 1 plus 1 equal to 0. This side is 0, this side is 0. If you put any other than minus 1, this equation not true. So this is the difference between identity and general conditional equation. Or this conditional equation also sometimes you could say it is simply an equation. An equation is called an algebraic if each term of it is a polynomial or a monomial with respect to the unknown. Mean to say, so here you could see 3x plus y equal to x plus y plus 2 is an algebraic equation, because this equation contains two factors, here also three factors. So involving variable, there are two variables x and y. But similarly, 2 to the power x equal to 5 is not an algebraic equation. Why? Because 2 to the power x equal to 5 is not a polynomial. Remember? So, if you want to make any equations, it should be a polynomial. That is very most important. Then you'll see what are the types of equation you could see in this chart. So we are seeing in the last class P of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square anx to the power n. So important thing, this should be a polynomial. This is a polynomial when an should not equal to 0. Very important condition. Okay. If this become, if equate P of x equal to 0, then it is known as equation. So generally there are different types you could see. Types. So I mean to say, so if the equation, linear equation, what do you mean by linear equation? An equation involving single degree or you could say an equation involving variable in single degree is known as linear equation. Example, you could give anything like 3x plus 2 equal to 0. So you could see here the degree of variable x is 1, 3x plus 2, or in general ax plus b equal to 0, you could say. So anything of this fashion, variable degree is 1, that is known as linear equation. So next type is quadratic equation, second one. Quadratic equation. An equation involving two degree variable of 2 degree is known as quadratic equation. Remember, in case of linear equation, so this have only one solution or one rule. I mean to say, so if you solve this, okay, so what you get? X equal to minus 2 by 3. If you put x equal to minus 3 by 2 in this equation, 3 into minus 3 by 2 plus 2 equal to 0 equal to 0. So that means this is true only for one value. Linear equation always true for one value. It is depends on degree. If this degree contains only 1 degree, then this equation has only one root or one solution. That means for one value of x, this equation is true. But in case of quadratic equation, so general example like x square equal to 4, you could say. How to solve this? So here the degree is 2. You should suppose to take RHS to right side, or you can directly take the square root. X square minus 4 equal to 0, or this looks like a square minus b, x plus 2, x minus 2 equal to 0. If two factors multiplication 0 means either x plus 2 equal to 0 or x minus 2 equal to 0. So that is means x equal to minus 2 or x equal to 2. Now there are two solutions as the degree is 2. So this equation have two solutions. That means it have two roots. Two roots means x equal to plus or minus 2. This is how you are supposed to solve the equation. In general, so it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are any real number, okay, and a should not equal to 0. This is very most important condition for quadratic equation, okay. Every place you have to suppose to check if a becomes 0, then this is not a quadratic. So if a becomes 0 here, what happens? This becomes bx plus c. So bx plus c equal to 0 is a linear equation. Linear equation. So very careful. So if the equation to be a quadratic, so remember, so coefficient of x square should not be equal to 0. First condition. So there are two basic variety of equation you could see.